Hello and welcome. We've got this Bosch GSH5CE. The lights are on, but nobody's home. It doesn't work. So I'd be willing to bet it's brushes, but we'll get into it and have a wee look here. I just unplugged that there for safety reasons. And we've got to get into this. With the lid off, I can see the brushes are completely worn out. And I'm willing to bet that's all that's wrong with this thing. You see, there's nothing left. Let me get down closer and get one of them pulled out. Do you see what I mean? Getting up close with this here. I'll just get this pulled out. You see what's left. Look. The stopper. That's the one of these brushes is one of these on, and that's why it's got two wires, and that stops it from going. Once the brush gets worn down to a certain degree, that pops out and touches the armature, and then it stops the thing working. That's even broke as well. So it needs a new set of brushes. So we're going to stick them on there and proceed onwards. If you compare old to new, you'll understand the difference. That's one side done, so we just have to flip her over and do the same on the other side. As you've probably observed, this one only has one wire, and that's because the wee stopper is on one side. You only need one side to have that wire. That's both sides fitted now, so all I have to do is put the bottom back on and give her a wee test. So that's everything back together. Nothing remains to do but test the machine. Right, the light's on now, so here goes. I'm calling that fixed, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.